John, wake up! Wake up!
Grandma. Get Grandma. Wake Grandma up, Casey May. Wake. Where are you?
Snickers.
Give good morning kisses. Say good morning, sister. Say good morning, sister.
You don't like your new haircut? What did Daddy do? You look like a different dog. Who's a dog? Is it you?
Tracy?
Yeah?
What did you do?
I'm a dog.
Oh, is she doing a good job, Penny?
Baby, come here. Baby, come here. How I feel about y'all. Y'all like me.
Hey, baby. You like your new haircut? You like your new haircut, girl? Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. I know. Isn't that bad? I'm sorry.
I know, but I gotta do your hair. I love you.
She's really letting me cut it like a regular.
I know.
It's that bad, huh? You got an itch? Yeah, she's scratching it.
We gotta go get your haircut. We gotta go get your haircut. Okay, but we gotta go get your haircut.
Hey, tomorrow I'm taking you to PetSmart to get groomed because you're starting to look homeless. No, don't argue with me. They're busy at Unleash. No, I'm sorry. Unleash is busy. You can't get a massage. No, I'm sorry. I know that that's what you're used to. But
Dad, can I get a haircut?
My hair's getting long.
Sure, Kyle.
Can I dye some of it purple?
You like this answer, huh? Does it look good?
Hungry, Daddy.
Good boy.
How do you feel about your haircut? How do you? Are you happy to be getting this haircut? Does it feel good? Yeah.
That's not a new dog. That's Noodles. I just gave him a haircut.
Thank you, Mommy. Do you want to go to the vet? Why not? Where does he put the thermometer?
We're at the vet's office, and her dog will not get up off the ground.
Vet, don't you dare take me to the vet. No, she doesn't want to go.
Yeah? You are a whiny girl. Such a drama mama. Yeah. We're at the vet. Come here, Butter. Butter,
You want to go to the vet? No! Let me get you for the vet. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. I got you.
You want to go to the vet? I don't know. I don't know. Say, I don't know.
Are you going to see the doctor? Did you eat a whole pack of gum with poison in it? Are you a bad girl? Oh, it's okay.
You don't like the vet.
You want to go to the vet? You want to go to the vet?
Let's go to the vet. Let's go to the vet, Roger.
Earlier, you want to go see the vet? No? What'd that vet do to you?
Good idea. You want to keep healthy, don't you? Here. I don't think she wants to have a shot.
It's okay, Luke. It's okay. If you could keep her mellow for the next 7 days, that'd be really great. Kind of keep her from jumping. Want to just have her chill out for a few days.
You want to go to the vet? No?
Gracie, do you want to go to the vet? Do you want to go to the vet? But you need to get a shot. You need to get a shot.
You want to go to the vet? Are you excited to go to the vet? Yeah? You like the vet?
Guess who's going to the vet today? Yeah, you.
Oh, y aquí viene otra vez. It's coming this way, my friend. Come on!
Oh my God!
Better be ready. Oh, crap. You might get better.
What's up here?
It's finished.
But that's up.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
That's unbelievable.
Wow, that is pretty cool.
Look,
Oh my gosh.
freaking amazing. It's a whale shark. Oh my life. Whale shark.